Understanding, hold up a hand. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, hold up a hand. This is a common expression in English, used in various contexts. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency in English. So, let's dive in. The phrase, hold up a hand, can be understood in its literal sense. It simply means to physically raise one's hand. This action is often seen in classrooms, during meetings, or in situations where someone wants to get attention, ask for permission to speak, or indicate that they have a question or an opinion. Beyond its literal meaning, hold up a hand can also be used figuratively. It might mean to ask for help, signal a need, or show agreement or disagreement. For example, if someone says, "I had to hold up a hand and ask for assistance," it means they needed help and made it known. In different cultures, the act of holding up a hand can have varying implications. For instance, in a classroom setting in the United States, students are encouraged to raise their hand before speaking. Understanding these cultural nuances is crucial for effectively using the phrase in conversation. Let's see some examples. 1. During the meeting, several people held up their hands to ask questions. 2. If you know the answer, please hold up your hand. Hold up a hand is a versatile phrase in English, used both literally and figuratively. Remember, the context in which it's used can greatly affect its meaning. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you use the phrase confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.